Catawampus here with a quick Arcade 1 update. So I hooked up the new control panel and they're gonna have to send me a new one. So that works fine, but when I try to hit 2 players, nothing. Nothing. It's broken. And then the control panel, or the trackball, look at that. It's very unresponsive. It's nothing like the one I currently have. Like, it feels really tight. I mean, I guess I could try to loosen it up, but yeah, this is not good. I mean, you know, I don't want to seem like I'm losing faith in this, because the one I have is perfect, but except for, you know, some fading paint. But basically, yeah, that's horrible. So I'm emailing Arcade 1 up and seeing what they can do. There's no return slip in this, so you see, I even hit 2 credits, but not 2 players. It's not even responding as 2 players. So anyway, that's disappointing. Sorry for the bad news. Alright, Catawampus out.